Today we are going to see about the topic is testing, refining and pitching the ideas. Introduction. Testing ideas with the real user is a critical step. Is a design process to ensure that solution meets the user needs and expectations. It helps to validate assumptions, identify the usability issues and refine the design before final implementations. So before implementation to the user, we have to test the sample users whether it is a working or not. So after that validation, we can issues into the customers. Validate the assumptions. Testing confirms whether the design aligns with the user needs or if assumptions made during ideas are incorrect. Next one, generating the ideas. How to generating the ideas is nothing but you can improve your user experience after we can gather the feedback. Feedback from the real user highlights the pain points where we can easily identify the customer pain points and where to improve the customer pain points. That is nothing but usability issues and areas of improvement to be identified, ensuring user-centered design. Reduce the risk. Identify the problems early prevents costly revisions after the development or the launch. So it helps to reduce the risk. Also build the confidence, which can be easily identify the positive feedback from the testing and validates the design potential, while constructive criticism guides the improvement and as well as the encourages the iteration. Iteration nothing but until the identify the customer pain point satisfaction, we can be repeated the process. Testing the fastest in an iterative approach, allowing the designer to refine the ideas based on the real world insights. Next one, key considerations. So what are the key considerations has to be followed is nothing but involve the diverse user to capture the varied perspectives. Test early and often to catch the issues at a different stages. Create a safe environment for honest feedback. Testing our design with people. Testing with people involves observing how the user interact with the prototype or the design which we have developed and evaluates its functionality, usability and overall the effectiveness. So how we can test with the user how it is working or not. So easily define the objective is nothing but clearly outline the what you aim to learn. That is nothing but easy to navigation, clarity of instructions and user satisfactions to be identified. And select the participant. Choose the representative sample of the target audience, that is example 5 to 8 user for usability testing to uncover the most issues. Step 2, conduct the usability test is nothing but first you want to plan the test and define the goals, where we can define the goals is nothing but test navigation, future usability, create the task scenarios and as well as the real world use cases, prepare a script to ensure the consistency across the sessions, as well as recruit the participants where we can target the audience demographics, aim for the diversity in age, gender and the technical proficiency, etc. Set up the test is nothing but use a prototype or the live product in a controlled environment. Can be record the session for the later analysis. Prepare tools like screen sharing software, camera or note taking templates, that is run the test. Brief participants on the purpose without revealing too much to avoid the bias. Ask the user to perform the task while thinking aloud. Observe the silently notifying the errors, hesitations or a success. Collect the feedback as well as ask the open-ended questions and as well as analyze the test. It is helpful for improve the product, which is among the collect the user feedback. Record the test and enhance the retest and redefine the results. This iterative process ensures the design evolves based on the user feedback and testing outcomes. Record results. Document observations, user comments and task completion rates. User tools like spreadsheet and usability testing software to organize the data. So these are the categories to record the results as well as the redefine the results. Categorize the issues is nothing but for prioritization, enhance the design, address the critical usability issues first, Make the incremental changes to avoid them over complicating the design. Involve the design team to brainstorm the solutions for identifying the problems and implement in the future project. Retest is nothing but conduct additional tests to verify the changes, resolved issues, use the same task or the new ones to evolve with the improvements. Compare the results for the previous test to measure the progress as well as redefine the test. Next one, iterative cycle is nothing but test, record and enhance the retest, redefine and repeat until the test has to be defined. Next, video recording software and usability testing platforms, spreadsheet or database for organizing the feedback. Next, creating a pitch for our design. A pitch is a concise, precise presentation of the design to stakeholders, clients or the investigator to gain the support, funding or the approval. Yes, thank you.